First thing first, on the Google search, you want to search for Intuit TurboTax. And on turbotax.intuit.com, you want to click on that link. Then on this window, you want to click on Sign Up button at the top right of your screen. Right here, you want to type in your active email address, the new password for your TurboTax account, and your phone number. Later on, you will have to input the code that TurboTax sent to you by text message. On this page, you can just click on Got It button around the bottom right of your screen. Here, technically, you are already signed up to your TurboTax account, and you can continue preparing your account by checkmark on all of the choice that's suitable for you, helping TurboTax maximizing to your liking. After that, just click on Continue button, and to get TurboTax account for free, you want to choose on I'm comfortable on my own, so you do not get any charge when using TurboTax. After that, click on Continue button. On this window, you want to tap on Start for Free button. And for your information, no, you do not have to pay $139 or $99 to sign up for TurboTax account. And there you go. From this point, you will have to enter your information that was needed to file the taxes. You can just follow the instruction and TurboTax will have you do your taxes. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.